garbage chute system, which is from Horizon team, and they are here to align up the uses of the garbage chute, right? So we have this sticker over here, which shows which supposed to be throw, which supposed to be not throw over here, right? So just I'll tell you, it's hardly 4 items. So it's a coconut, we cannot throw it inside the direct garbage chute. One. Second, flammable, maybe a cigarettes or any cigarette butts, we should not throw inside. It's a flammable. Third, it's an oversize. Apart from oversize of this, you cannot throw it. Just fold it and keep it here. Our person will collect as per their schedule, right? And the third is glass items, glasswares. Please do not throw the glassware because this directly go to at P3 level. If now we are at podium level, this could be from 31 floor. If someone is throwing glass, it will go down and it will break, right? So inside there is a 2 panel, one for wet, one for dry. So whichever stuff you have carrying right now, see if I am carrying this food waste, it's a wet garbage. If it's a paper plastic, which is a dry garbage, right? It should be tied in a bag, not openly one by one. You cannot throw it that, right? So we have to get this stuff over here. If I have a wet, we have a selection mode over here. It's saying wet. We have one more is dry. So if I have a wet, I can press this. So this red light brings. It's taking your call. It comes to over here. You have to slowly pull this door. You can throw this back inside. We have to ensure this bag has to go inside, not stop here. Once you leave this door, it will get locked automatically. Same for the dry. I'll show you that also. So same for a dry. So it's changing inside compartment. So we have below there is a 2 dustbins kept over here, one for dry, one for wet. Now it's changed the flap inside itself. Now we can again pull this through the dry stuff, and once you over, just leave it. It will get closed, right? Second, if someone is using on top, maybe we are on 10th floor and 28 people also using, and you are also at the same time, maybe he will touch first you, then you will get a busy sensor over here. Okay. The busy. Once it's busy, once he close and he done with the all process, he will release and he will come to you. Whoever in the row, he will come to that location. So no worry about that. So you have to wait for maybe a few minutes or 30 seconds. So once your turn is come, then you again wait and dry. A simple process. Please do not throw any glasswares, coconuts, which is a heavy one. Please do not throw. Keep it in the lobby nicely. So our team will collect whenever they have a schedule as per. They will collect at the same day actually. Probably cartons. Like I bought a TV, it's a huge carton. Just keep it over here, my team will collect it. Don't try to throw any oversized material inside the garbage chute. What happens, if you trying to push that oversized inside, it will go stuck in that pipe. So our all from top to bottom is the stuff coming, it will go stuck there and there, and it's getting smell orders, right? Second, now while throwing anything, whether it is dry, whether it is wet, it should be nicely tied in the bag. That we have to ensure our through made, it has to be tied properly and appropriate selections, and we can throw it inside. So what will happen, that will go down. Before throwing wet and dry, please do not mix any wet and dry together. Segregate it and then throw it accordingly, right? Now this is third. Now we are using a since day, so we have to give couple of hours in a day for their cleaning. So we have 2 systems placed at terrace. One is for sanitizer and second is for spray wash. So like while throwing food waste, this may be a gravy item, maybe any food particle will stuck inside the pipe, right? So this needs to be clean, otherwise whenever you use, it will smell, correct? So we have a process, so we have a operating or monitoring at P3 level, right? So there is a sanitizer and the spray washing. So we have to change that lever. Once the cleaning is under progress, you cannot operate this system if the signal will be come over here. It's a busy. So it is in cleaning process. So that time please do not use it. You can come after some time. So we are planning to maybe a couple of hours to keep the proper cleaning for this one. So we have niche downstairs, we have switches. We can push that. All waters will forcefully come down and it will wash it. Then we have a sanitization process to avoid the bad odors.
Is there a way to differentiate busy as in someone putting
Yes.
garbage or busy as in...
Here we are getting signals. The same, the right now, if I press this one, the same signal is getting over here.
So I think here obviously
It's a busy, see. It's a busy
Yeah,
blinking.
but if someone from the 10th floor
Mhm.
is trying to put something, so
Mhm.
it is going to show as busy.
Busy, correct.
So I am supposed to wait for 30 seconds.
Yes.
But if it's not someone on the 10th floor, but it is you guys doing sanitization,
Mhm.
then you are going to take 2-3 hours.
Yeah.
So I
So
have
we
to
will-
keep on 30 seconds, 30
No,
seconds.
no, no,
30
no.
seconds.
So I'll come
How
to
would- how
that.
would I-
have a time slot for
We will update you that.
Over here.
Yeah.
I'll correct over here. While doing the cleaning purpose, that time the lights will not blink over there. That means off.
Okay.
We'll turn off the supply over there.
Okay.
Okay, that time you can realize that yes, the cleaning
Yes,
process
it's
is
fine.
over.
Having
You have to keep a timing. no?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes,
And having said
I'll
this-
just, I'll just make over here 2 to 4 maximum, 2 to 4 in between.
2 to 4,
the-
yeah.
After
Yeah, having said this, we'll intimate the time in advance, which will be a constant time. Like between 2 to 4, the garbage chute will be non-operational for cleaning purpose. So we'll automatically come to know we should not go there.